Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.